2019 Volvo Tandem Axle Take Camp Tractor VNR for you. Volvo D13 12.8 liter under the hood at 405 horse. 12-speed auto shift behind it, 40,000 pound rears and power divider. Let's take a walk around, see what we got going on. Nose and cab on this side looking pretty good for you. Steer tires look like they got some life. Fuel tank, nice size for you, dual on each side. A little rub on the back of the cab, nothing terrible. Some load lights for you. Tires looking like they're getting a little thin in the back. We'll give you some exact measurements. Frame is in really nice condition on this one. I don't see even too much surface rust. DEF underneath the cab. Poke your head inside. Air ride seat. Again, 12-speed auto shift. AC present and working. All lights are good. Washers, wipers, city horn, blower good. ABS light not on. A engine light is on with the report that it might be going into D-rate mode, so it might be something going on with the DEF system. Give us a call, tell us what you're looking to do. Bring your mechanic by, someone that's got some great knowledge on these trucks. We're still learning with them. Let us know what you need. We got this one, we got plenty of more great package deals right here at Arthur TRO & Sons. Come on by and visit us sometime soon.